Subcribe.
Today I'm super excited to bring you a Darth Vader gumball machine. How many of you guys are Star Wars fans? I know I am. Not only does this machine give you tasty candy, but it also makes noise and lights up. And yes, it does come with gumballs. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, there's 2 packs of rainbow gumballs. And here is Darth Vader. He's wearing his signature black attire. What's that sticker? That's not a part of his outfit. I'll take care of that for you. There you go, back to your all black attire. I love the sound effects this makes. And pressing this is also how you're going to release the gumballs. If we turn him around, this is where we're going to be filling the gumballs. Up here in the back of his helmet. Here's our first pack of gumballs. Man, these last 2 are stubborn. Get in there. Got him. Here's our second bag. Whoops! Sound the alarm! We have an escaped gumball! Alright, time to try this baby out. Cool, we got a yellow one. Yes, now we got a red one. It's one of my favorites. Whoa, Darth Vader just gave us 2 gumballs. Maybe there is some good in him after all.
I am Darth Vader. I am most displeased by your comment. Darkness pulls me, not light. I will show you. I have taken your friends hostage and trapped them in plastic.
Oh no, he's captured the Jedis, the droids, and Yoda. Not Yoda! Hang in there, guys. I'll set you free. Whoa, he's even taped them all together. If only I had a lightsaber. Well, scissors will have to do. Luke Skywalker! It's an honor to meet you. Thank you for setting me free. Whoa! Obi-Wan Kenobi! I guess Darth Vader betrayed you once again. Ooh, C-3PO. I hope you're okay.
Thank heavens, I thought I would never find you.
Oh no, R2-D2, he got you too? Master Yoda! You're so small. Judge me by my size, dear? No, Master Yoda.
Where are my prisoners?
You guys better hide. It's too easy to find all of you. Take care of them, Luke. May the Force be with you.
Give me back my prisoners. You dare disrespect your father? I will attack you with gumballs.
You're out of gumballs. And light will always defeat darkness. Good job, Luke. Now it's safe for the others to come out. Come out, everyone. Hope it wasn't too cramped in there, Obi.
Heavens, it was dark in there.
Free us you must. Woo! Good to see everyone safe. And light wins again. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.